Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve this question, that is missing number in array. So this is very simple question. You can find this question in practice page of Geeks for Geeks website. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and do share this video as much as possible. So without complicating things further, we will start. So here the question is, we just have to find out what is the missing element in our array. As simple as that. We just have to find out the missing element. So let's say here, look at the example 1. Here a array is provided. Here a array is provided and the elements are 1, 2, 3, 5. And the value of my n is 5. So here my array, look at the array. What is the missing element here? What do you think? Obviously 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it is 1, 2, 3, 5. So my output will be 4. As simple as that. Just look at the another example. The value of my n is 10 and here my array is provided. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. What is missing here? 9. So my result will be 9. So as simple as that, we just have to find the missing element from our array. So here we also keep in mind that time complexity should be O of n and space also should be O of 1. So without making complicated things further, we will start. Here what we are going to do is first look at the class diagram here. Just look at the class diagram. What are the things that is already there? The first thing is my class name, that is solution. Right? Hope you understand till here. Second is my method. The method name is missing number. Here the method name is missing number. What is the signature of this method? What this method is returning me what? A integer. It is returning me integer. And now this method is also taking two arguments. There are two parameters here. First one is an array. Second one is my local variable, that is n. So I hope I make it clear till now. So now what we are going to do is we will make another variable so that I can store whatever the calculation we will do. We will store it in that variable. So first, what will be the data type of our variable will be? Obviously everything is integer here, so I will take integer. Int final output. So I name it final output. You can name it anything. No worries. You can name it anything. So here what I'm going to do is I will take my local variable. Then I will do this. See here, I take a local variable and there here I multiplied it with this and divided it by 2. So the next thing is I will make another variable that is that is sum. Why sum? Because uh, in the next line we are going to run a for loop. So when we will running a for loop, then we have to store our values that will be extracted by for loop in something some variable, right? So we will make another variable that is of int sum. So no worries, I will also try run the code so that you can understand it. Why I am going to take the value is 0. Why I am initializing this variable as a value of 0. So you will understand in this line here. Just run a for loop. So this is my structure of for loop and we will do that. We will do like this. I is less than n minus 1. Here I plus plus. So here this is my for loop and whatever output I will be receiving from this loop, I'm going to store it in this variable. So here sum is equal to sum plus, wait, sum is equal to sum plus, what is my array name? That is array itself. So array of index I, right? So this whatever the thing that I'm getting from this, so I will store it in here sum. That's why I took it 0. I initialize with it 0 so that I can store whatever the value I get. I will store it in here and 0 won't affect my result. So here I'm going to return Since this method is returning me integer, so I'm going to return my final output minus sum. Now as simple as that. So our code is done here. Let's see, compile and run. What is the output we are getting here? It will take some time. Output differences here. Compilation is completed, but there is a difference in the output. Why it is happening? So just look at here. Why? What should we change? Here what we did is n minus 1. This is the thing that we should not do. N plus 1 will be there. Why n plus 1? Because we are here iterating now. We are here iterating, and now we are going to like 1 2 3 4. We are moving forward. That's why here we will use plus sign instead of minus sign. Now let's compile and let's see the output. Here, see, compilation completed. So now we are going to submit this code, and test cases is getting passed. So here our test cases is getting passed. So I hope you understand this video, and do like and subscribe this channel. And if you want me to make this these type of videos more, so comment me. So we will meet in another videos. Bye bye, happy learning guys.